Top 6. Best Ultrasonic Cleaner. However, when it's time to choose the right blackout curtain, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best blackout curtain on the market today, so if you're interested in what blackout curtain will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner.
Say hello to the MGUC 500 by Magnasonic, the simplest, most effective ultrasonic jewelry cleaner in the world. Using tap water, the MGUC 500 is all you need for pristine jewelry. It creates 42,000 cycles of ultrasonic energy to penetrate every crevice of your jewelry, glasses, watches, utensils, and more. You can even add a touch of ordinary dish soap for extra cleaning power. With a large 20-ounce tank, this ultrasonic cleaner can run on 5 different cleaning cycles. From 90 seconds for a light clean to 480 seconds to penetrate the most stubborn dirt. It's just as simple as filling the tank and pressing a button. There is no simpler, more effective way to keep your jewelry looking professionally clean.
Number 2. Runner-up. Steamfast SF1000 Jewel Steam Jewelry Cleaner. Number 3. Best Budget. Connoisseur's Diamond Dazzle Stick Jewelry Cleaner. Number 4. Hand Cleaning. Simple Shine Complete Jewelry Cleaning Kit. Number 5. Best Wipes. Connoisseur's Jewelry Wipes. Number 6. Mini Portable Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.